Goodcrafter Tumbler Heat Press Machine is your best choice. Portable and lightweight. High quality. Easy to use. Widely application. "100 sheets of sublimation paper for your large printing needs." Open the latch. Put in the cup. Adjustment knob. Lock the latch. Check the edges for gap, and if there are gaps, then continue to adjust the knob to fit the cup. After adjusting the pressure, take out the cup, turn on the switch, press the OK button. The panel displays P1. Press the upward or down key to preset the temperature to 356 Fahrenheit degrees Celsius. Press the OK key again. The panel displays P2. Press the upward or down key to preset the time to 200 seconds. Then present the OK key. The temperature will rise to 356 Fahrenheit degrees Celsius after about 3 minutes, and a beep will sound. Cut the sublimation paper with the pattern to the right size and stick it on the cup. Note: stick the sublimation paper after adjusting the pressure. Put on heat insulation gloves and put the cup in. Lock the latch. And press enter. Start the 200S countdown to print. A beep will sound after printing. Turn off the switch and take out the cup. Remove the sublimation paper after the cups have cooled. You can follow the above method for printing different materials and sizes of cups. Look how perfect it is! Do you like Goodcraft Tumbler Heat Press Machine? First, disassemble the thermal conductive wire. Then disassemble the screws on both sides of tumbler press attachment. Finally, disassemble the 4 screws. Take out the old tumbler press attachment. Prepare a new tumbler press attachment. Put the new tumbler press attachment into the machine. Lock the latch and align the position. First, install the screws on both sides. Then install the top 4 screws and tighten them. Complete tumbler press attachment replacement. Make personalized cups for friends and family.